Hello, beautiful friends. Thank you for joining me today. Hope you're having a beautiful, wonderful day. I have quite a few things to do today. I'm going to be going to get my oil changed. I'm gonna for sure vacuum the car. I don't know if I'm gonna clean it today, but I will end up putting the footage together whether I do it today or tomorrow. I have my husband's bike to clean. I'm gonna take it downstairs and wash that as well, so I may just do them both tomorrow, since I'll have to have like my bucket of cleaning stuff, and then I can pull the mats, you know, the floor mats out of the car, scrub them down, put them back in. I just dropped him off, so I'm still downtown right now. I'm about to head to the oil place, which is right by Walmart. I'm not gonna go to Walmart, I don't think, but I am gonna go to Home Depot. I have a pickup order to get and a couple of things that I want to grab from there. So we're gonna do some things today. Anyway, I was trying to, I just put in, let me show you, put in this guy, and it's really helpful for when I'm driving. Like, you can totally see the, you know, like it shows outside. I tried to set myself up for recording, you know, like talking and driving, but it makes a weird, I suppose it's not any weirder than this angle right here, but anyway, let's head on to have the windows down because it's a beautiful day out today. I'm gonna put them up. I'm gonna head on, get to do an oil change, get the car washed, and get it vacuumed at least, and then head to Home Depot. So I will see you there. Alright, I'm here to get my oil changed. They should be done in just a minute. They have open pits. I don't know if you can see, just if I can zoom in. See how at the bottom down there, it's like open? I hate driving up those, they make me so nervous. It's nervous making for me, because I'm always afraid I'm gonna go like off the side or something. Ugh, I hate doing it. Does anybody else have that problem? Anyway, while I'm sitting in here, I say anyway a lot, I noticed, you know? While I'm sitting in here, I'm gonna probably edit a video or so, because there's other folks in here and I don't really want to chit-chat while I'm doing that. But as soon as they're done, we will record like the car wash, because it's in the same place. It's like right over there. I'll just pull out, go around, and come back through the car wash, and then we'll vacuum, and it will be all good. But otherwise, I'm going to be editing video and waiting for this to be done. So I'll be back in a little bit. I made it over the thing, even though I was so nervous about it. It is there. So now we're just going to wait for them to do the thing. They're already starting. They usually take, you know, that's usually pretty quick, so that will be that. Alright, our oil change is done and we're getting a car wash, as you can tell by the sound. I'll flip back around and you can enjoy the car wash. noisy. It took me twice to try to get it in here because you have to go on the little track thing, and I couldn't get on it, so I had to back up and come back in. I'm always so terrible at doing this, and it makes me so nervous. But at least there's no giant hole in this one like there is at the oil part. So once we're done getting washed, then I'm gonna go vacuum and then head to Home Depot's. I didn't get any editing done because I just deleted the app off my phone because it was like 53 gigs worth of space. So I need to see what's going on with that, but yeah. Anyway, we'll be going through this whole thing here soon. They do like a pre-wash with the hose and, you know, like soak it up with the moppa thing, and then we go through the like washer bit because they don't have the roller thingies. So it's interesting, but it's free, so I don't care. It's like car updating day, but at least I got it done. Now I don't have to be back to change the oil until March of next year, so that'll be good. But it's free. It's part of my extended warranty. I got since our car only had, I think we were almost at 34,000 when we bought it last year, and so you could get the lifetime like powertrain warranty, and it includes free oil changes and free lifetime oil changes, free lifetime car wash. So it's worth it. And of course the mechanical part, you know, if something breaks. It's the first car I've ever had that has a warranty on it. So it's interesting to, it's nice. I'm thankful for having the ability to, you know, have my car taken care of if something happens to it. So that was always a big stressor in my life. Anyway, I think we're about to head into the machine, so I'll flip it around. And that's it. Now they're gonna dry, and I'm gonna go vacuum. Thank you, dear. Have a great day. All right, we are at the vacuums. I'm gonna put my hat on. We're gonna get some vacuuming done. All right, it's gonna be a little bit loud, but here we go. Alright, there's my side. You can see it's like mostly rocks and dirt and stuff like that. Because, you know, we live in the desert. Let me see if I can put this on the seat. We're in the back seat now. This is under my seat. I'll get all this garbage out of here. I saw a hack in a video that if you brush everything, like if you get a little broom I picked up at the Dollar Tree and you give it a brush, you can get the stuff out of the carpet easier. And I'd have to say it is 100% true. So I'm about to start up the vacuum again. Alright, well, his side is not perfect, but it's much better at least. Tomorrow when I clean I'm gonna clean those floor mats because they're pretty filthy. They get a lot of salt buildup from the road. Alright, we're gonna move on to the back now. Much better. These jackets they need to go to the Goodwill. They're donations. I just need to take them there. But it looks much, much, much better. And tomorrow, when I get a chance to clean it, it will look even better. Whew, that was a chore. But it's done. And it looks a lot better in here when I get the chance to to clean all of that salt off of the all the salt off the floor mats. That will look even better. And mostly, let me show you. Mostly we just got a lot of like dust and, you know, smears, dust. I just need to come out and give it a good lot of dust. Just need Just need to give her a good cleaning. But the vacuum's run, and that's the part that takes the longest, I think. Sorry, I'm leaning weird. I gotta put my seatbelt on. Anyway, I'm gonna head over to the Home Depots and pick up my planter and see what else I need. And go potty, because I have to do that. That's too much information, but we'll be right back. Alright, we made it to the Home Depots. I get my wallet. And let's head in. I love this rock formation that they have out here. It's so pretty. It's like natural, but you know. Okay, here we are. We're gonna go through the back door because that's where the bathroom is. You can see me going all kinds of wonky ways. I was trying to avoid this guy there in the in the forklift because I knew they were just about to close the aisle. And then as I kept going, I kept finding more aisles that were, you know, it's Home Depot. That's what they do. They close all the aisles on you, and then you have to find your way around different ways and ways and not get trapped. So anyway, I was heading towards the cleaning aisle to look at some stuffs, and then I'm going to the garden section. I've been thinking about getting one of these guys, the Scrub Daddy. I don't know. And then I want to get like a bottle of Pine Sol. I was looking for a smaller one, but they only have like this giant one, and I don't know if I want one that big. So then we're heading out to the garden. Plants are my weakness, but look at these birdies. They're having a feast there. I have a feeling that the plant stand that I get is not going to come with the base. Because this is the one that I ordered, and when I was in here the other day, they didn't have their bases, so I have a feeling I'm gonna have to have them take it back. Let's go find out. This is a dangerous area for me. Let's go see these succulents. Oh, these are nice too. I love these giant succulents. They're $26 each. They're $5 each. These are 6. They have the giant one. Can't leave without seeing the spooky stuffs. If it's a bony things. Let's see what this does. Oh, it doesn't work. Just hearing him. Oh, they've got a skeleton in the coffin and a really big Grim Reaper. A little goblin. A bartender. Wizards, ghosties, and witches. And then tons of blow-ups. Yay, I got it. Had to wait for them to pull one out of a box from the top. So it took me about, I don't know, half an hour to get it. But I got it. That's the most important thing. Now let's get it in the back of the car. In the car first. It's clean. I'm gonna try to get a magic eraser for this door. I don't know what happened to it, but let's put that in the car. Put the planter in the bag. Good. Oh, thank you so much.
Have a good day.
You too.
To the nice weather now.
It is beautiful.
I like these afternoons now. It's not hot, but it's comfortable.
Yeah. Okay. That is done. I've got to go back to the house, run something over to my husband from work. That was the gentleman I was talking to. He was just telling me how nice it was outside. We were talking about how nice it is outside. It is. It's beautiful today. Nice and cool, breeze. It is lovely. Now I'm gonna head on home and take that stuff to my husband.
2,000 years later.
Alright, I am in my car. I am about to get this party started. It's not really a party, but we're still gonna do it. It's just gonna be a quick one because I'm waiting for the clothes to get out of the laundry, so they're in the dryer. I have about 30 minutes and I'll be done. So let me get the stuff out of the back of the car. But first I want to try this magic eraser on the door, that little spot. So let's see if this works before I get out my cleaning stuffs. Can you see that little thing right there? It says to test it on an inconspicuous area. So there. Oh yeah, it does work. Can you see that? There was a little spot right there. Let's see if it'll get this one off. It's working! Yay! I thought I was gonna have this little spot forever and ever and ever and ever. There. It looks good now. See if it'll take off all these little key spots, these little key scratches. Well, there you go. You can get stubborn stains off of your door handle with a magic eraser. Try this guy back here. So I got a little bit of like scratching there. Oh, it's getting most of it off. Not all of it, but it's good enough. Try on this guy. It just says not to use it on the body of the car. I don't know why, but these are all plastic things that I think those are like actual paint, like chips on the plastic from rocks and things like that. That definitely looks like one. Alright, let's try the other door handles and make sure they don't got any spots on them. Oh, yep, this one does. Right there. Let's see what we can do. It's not perfect, but it's better. Yeah, looks better. Let's see about this guy. Don't know where these come from. But they are here nonetheless. See, this one is chipping from rocks, I'm pretty sure, because we go out in the desert from time to time. Yeah, it's just dust. Alright, well, that works. I got it at the Dollar Tree. I'm pleasantly surprised. Let's see if we got anything back here. Alright. I have not taken that planter out of my car yet. Sorry. I need to go to Home Depot and get some that stuff, you know? This is all my little car stuff. Paper towels, cleaning cloths. I'm gonna stick this in here. My little Armor All, I need that. I'm not gonna do a deep clean. I usually use these guys to like deep clean stuff. Let's see. Yeah, we'll use this. I'm not gonna clean the floorboards today. I'm being lazy. And plus, it's about to be winter, so it's like, is it really worth it to me to go through all that trouble? Not really. It's not. Alright, let's grab one of these guys. I have a couple more. I don't know where I have them. I think I washed them and didn't bring them back out. Yeah, this stuff always lives in my car. These are grocery bags in case I forget mine, but they're always in the car, so I never do. Alright, well, let's take these two. Let me hit this real quick. Oh, hi, sweetheart. Hi. There was a puppy out here. Ah, that is spraying all over the place. It got all the way over there. Let's wipe that off. There we go. That's better. We're just gonna do this little bit right back here before I move up front. I would do this, but it's just gonna get filthy again, honestly. Let me grab this spot where it sprayed everywhere. Nobody ever sits back here. All of these like scuffs and everything were here when we bought it, so I just try my best to make sure that it stays clean. And I don't worry about it too much. But this part I can totally clean up. There, that looks better. Don't know if you can really tell with the bright light, but to me it looks better. Alright, I'm gonna get the dash before I hit the door, just so I can make sure that I don't get any dust outside on it. I don't know how to best do this. It's a little bit difficult to maneuver this. Try setting it right there, maybe? No. Alright, I guess I'll just have to do it one-handed. That's okay. Let's turn this towel to a clean spot. And I'm just gonna spray it right on here. I'm gonna do my side and then I'll go over and do the passenger side. This is dusty, can you tell? It's really dusty. It's been like a year since I cleaned it, I'm pretty sure. I think I cleaned it the last time when we went camping. And that was beginning of last September. And yeah, when we got home I cleaned it and that's been about it. Mostly it's just dust. Because I live in the desert. And it gets dusty. Yeah, I'm not super worried about like a deep cleaning. I will do that another day when I have more time. Alright, let's see if we can get up in here. I know there is a release for this. How do I do it? There we go. Alright, let's get this middle bit. Take out my Jasper. This. Oh, where'd it go? That guy found in my tire once. But luckily, we have really thick tread, so it didn't do anything. This is for what I found. What? That's not used. Literally, some of this around. You're like, Jasper is a good traveling rock, so if you ever want a crystal for your car, Jasper is a good one. Alright. I think I got the inside pretty good. Let me get the door and everything. I don't think I needed to bring in this one. I use this one when I'm doing the deep cleaning, so I can get like a double, you know, I use that one to clean, and then this orange one to protect everything. But since I'm just doing one swipe, I'm just going to use this orange one. I'll wait to do the running board until I'm done on my husband's side. Alright guys, I think that's gonna do it. I'll end up picking up those tissues, but there's the end result. Pretty filthy. I'm gonna take it inside and put it in the laundry. Anyway, let me see if I can find a way to film this without squinting. I will thanks for hanging out with me. I will check in with you next time. And maybe we'll do a deep cleaning sometime. I always see those folks on, I've watched those deep cleaners on YouTube, and I'm like, wow, that's really ambitious, and I'm not that ambitious. You saw my total, sum total cleaning. Anyway, I will see y'all later. Peace out, and remember, there are so many amazing people in the world. Wonderful and kind people, and if you can't find one, that is your chance to be one. See ya.